I'm gonna turn all the stuff that is messy and I'm gonna make it way better right now.
So what's going on here?
So we have to measure now before we put on the pegboard.
So I think Andrew has all these Nerf guns. He's keeping them in here.
I have one in the
And
garage.
there's some in the garage. But we need a place to put all this stuff so it's not jammed in all these boxes.
Yeah.
So we're thinking we're gonna put a pegboard on the bunk bed here.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll
So
shoot you.
so many so many Nerf guns. Yeah. So now we're gonna
And look at this gun. It's a Nerf one.
another Nerf gun. Nerf guns everywhere. But your
Yeah.
room looks pretty good. Room looks really clean.
Yeah.
But it's gonna look even better with
I
that.
think I'm gonna do black and spell
Board.
Nerf with blue.
Yeah, we've got a nice little project planned out.
Okay.
All right, so first step is we need to take the measurements to cut the pegboard to the right size. So
Yeah.
that's why we have this, and we're gonna get started. All right, so taking the width measurement,
38 inches wide.
38.
Yeah.
All right, now we gotta get the height. I can help you with that.
Okay.
38 by 65. Okay.
That was ridiculous. Guys, look how hot. There's the big pegboard, and it's so hot. And we're going to so this is number 1 pegboard spray paint. So this is the first one, and the other one is going to be in 10 more days. Yep. Swipe underneath. I'm sorry that I can't video the rest. I just need some shade. Just need some shade. Mara, is this a good shade spot?
Here we go. All right, pegboard banking day 2. Andrew, what's going on?
So now we're going to do my pegboard, Nerf, and we got the skull. This is what our test was, and Dad wants this one.
We did a little test to make sure everything works good.
Yeah, and now we're going to do mine.
Okay.
And we have NERF, and we have our skull that Dad cut it out of cardboard. And
Yep.
I got skull,
And Hart, what's going on with yours?
the skull cut out skulls, bones, and head.
Nice. And we're in the garage today because it's raining outside,
Yeah.
and we don't really want to get everything wet. So we're doing it in the garage.
Sorry, guys. And this is how it, my test is with the glade.
Turns out really well. Okay, so now we'll just get to it. We're gonna put our letters on and our skulls.
We're hanging you up all the way up there.
Yes, we're gonna put the GoPro up there so you have a nice overhead view of what's going on. All right, you ready, Hart? We'll get to it. The pegboard is dried. We've got the skulls. Now Andrew's about to do the letters.
Yep, the final thing before I have my Nerf gun.
Yeah, that looks good.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. We got it. Dun, 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 dun.
Yes.
Annie.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. That's the hardest one.
Hard.
Dun, dun.
Woo.
That's one. Yeah.
Yes. And all right, Harper, what do we got here?
My pegboard, and this is Andrew's results.
Uh-huh. Results look amazing.
And, so I made tape, so it looks like I'm shooting someone over here.
Yeah, you got.
And it's like a glass broken.
Mm-hmm. That's gonna look sweet. So now what's the next step?
Next step, always cut out your skeleton.
Okay, we've got the skeleton.
And thing and buttons.
Okay, so now we spray paint.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it going.
Okay, let's go to the fast one.
You think we should do it in time lapse? Let's go to time lapse.
Oh gosh.
So we've got Harper's pegboard all sprayed. Let's take a look.
And so I made this skeleton. This is so we turn this into this.
Nice. And so we have to let it dry,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna pull the tape off. Taped up, right?
I'm a trickster.
Woo! Look at that.
Man, Hart, that's
Look at that.
super cool.
Look at that peel. Woo!
Andrew, careful, bud.
It's a big
Don't do it with slippers.
Yes. Okay, there it is. Pegboard on the wall, or on the bunk bed. What do you think, Andrew?
Yeah.
Man, that looks legit.
It was
As soon as you come in the room, boom, there it is.
first gun.
All right, now I got to put the
Wait,
guns
it's
up.
not stick. This one. Across here. So I'll stick it through. I will return all of the stuff that is messy, and I'm going to make it way better right now. Look how organized they are now.
Wow, that turned out great.
Even my mask.
Yeah, I love how you changed clothes too, real quick. That was awesome.
Yeah. Yes, we started yesterday. And also
Got the arsenal.
mask,
Oh yeah, looks nice.
glasses. Hey guys, so this is what I'm going to do with all these messy new guns. So I'm going to do the power editing to make them way nicer right now. Right now. Boom. Did you see that was spicy? So now it's really organized. My guns and protect eyes and vest. Like, look at this.
Nice job, Harp. Looks amazing.
You talked.
I'm supposed to talk.
Hey, no. Did I shoot it?
Oh yeah. No.
And that was spicy.
Oh, you just want to talk. Okay.